It's a dominated thing, yeah.
Sit. Sit. Stay. Stay.
Yeah, I ignore you, so you don't bite
Thank
me.
you. Yeah, just ignore him. He's calming down. It gets better when you ignore him. You're watching so you know how to put it back together. Although I think he knows what he's doing. Sit. That goes here. No, that goes forward. Oh yeah. If you want any masking tape to mark things, just let me know. Oh, that one's out too.
How long you put this in the market?
I had somebody who wanted to buy it about 5 weeks ago, but I've been traveling for 5 weeks. And so then you reached out yesterday. So I wasn't attached to keeping it or selling it. It's good to sell, but it wasn't urgent. Sit. 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 Put your butt down. Stay. You have a couple washers there too. Do you want those washers that are on the floor?
Yeah.
Okay, just put those in the bag. Sit. I don't think you can get back there yet.
I'm fat. I mean, I'm skinny.
Okay.
Without him, I don't know how I can get home.
We all have to have that one honeydew handyman that helps us, right?
Oh, you do? You do?
Have to.
Okay.
Must. Ah, the card. Noah.
Yeah.
You need to see the back?
That was sweet.
No, cái giường còn mới.
Move this back down so I can
Here, I'm gonna take him down. Come on, let's go down.
Nói cái tủ đó không đó là anh là mua là 500-600 đô chưa được cái tủ đó. Em đi coi hoài, em đi coi nhà hoài em mua không biết. Nó mắc trời thần luôn. Mình hên quá mình được giường đẹp. Cái tấm nệm này nếu mình ngủ cái giường này đừng phải mua cái nệm khác nữa.
Mấy cái này kéo mạnh nó mới ra.
Kéo nó ra. Ồ.
Nó mới nhấn vô ra. Kéo cho nhẹ hai mình khiêng xuống vô.
Oh. Oh, wow. It's scary, huh? Oh, wow. Why do we need that out?
So we can stack them. Để vô trong xe. You know? I guess you don't need to,
Yeah.
but it's really fragile. It can be break easy on the 4 screw up in there. And it's not in together either, well, you know, like that.
Đúng rồi, nó so thin, it can be break up. $350 quá thì rẻ luôn.
So we can lay next to each other, have more room.
Xong chưa?
Xong rồi, như được.